So, this next one is a song my dad used to play, and we're all brothers. Duh, sorry. We're all just, you know, I don't usually talk that much on stage. I'm not used to doing it. I usually just, I don't know, I don't talk that much. But we're all just hanging out. I feel like we should talk. So, here for having a conversation. This next one, we're from Virginia. Does anybody know where Virginia is in the States? It's on the East Coast. My friend from Texas was like, you should just say you're from Texas. They're not going to know where Virginia is. How typically Texas is that? Oh well. Y'all get a lot of Texas bands here? Yeah? Yeah, they think they're pretty cool. But, yeah, this is a song about growing up in the South and growing up, and it's a country song, and we play a lot of rock and roll, so we grew up playing country and bluegrass. I don't know if do y'all know bluegrass? It's a Virginia music. But anyhow, I hope you enjoy it. It's called Good Old Boys Like Me. Send this out to my dad. Woo! Sorry, I'm getting this guitar right. It's not mine. Yeah, when I was a kid, Uncle Remus had put me to bed with a picture of Stonewall Jackson above my head. And then Daddy'd come in and kiss his little man with gin on his breath and a Bible in his hand, and he'd talk about honor and things I should know. And then he'd stagger a little as he went out the door. I can still hear the soft southern winds in the live oak trees, and those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. Hank in Tennessee, and I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. And so what do you do with good old boys like me? And nothing makes the sound in the night like the wind does. Yeah, but you ain't afraid when you're washed in the blood like I was. And the smell of cave jasmine on the window screen, John R. and the Wolfman kept me company. And by the light of the radio by my bed, with Taunus Wolf whispering in my head, I can still hear the soft southern winds in the live oak trees, and those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. Hank in Tennessee, and I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. And so what do you do with good old boys like me? Yeah, when I was a kid, I ran with some boys down the street, and I watched them burn themselves up with bourbon and speed. But I was smarter than most, and I could choose. I learned to talk like the man on the the 6 o'clock news. Yeah, when I was 18, Lord, I hit the road. But it really doesn't matter how far I go. I can still hear the soft southern winds in the live oak trees. And those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. Hank in Tennessee, and I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. And so what do you do with good old boys like me? Yeah, what do you do with good old boys like me? Thank you all. Little country song. All right, let's welcome